Hello guys, today we are going to see about command promote not working or opening in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's fix that. Go to registry, search menu, type Registry Editor, right click, run as administrator. Yes, go to H key current user, go to system, no, go to software, go to Microsoft, go to policies, go to Microsoft, go to Windows. If Windows here, if didn't have system, you need to create new and key, type system, name it up, and double click system and go right, new DWORD 32 value, name it as DISABLE DisableCMD, double click on it. Value data need to be 0. Okay, that's it guys. Now go to PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. Yes, type here sfc space slash SCANNOW, press enter. This process will take some time. After finishing this, go and restart your PC. That's it guys, this verification is done now. Okay, close it up, good, and restart it. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, like it.